Welcome YouTube, my name is Nicolo Rigano and you're watching my barber dreams. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a low bald fade with a curly textured top. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave that in the comments section. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and more videos and styles will be on the way for you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.
So we're going to get right into it here, and these are my Andes Slimline Pros, and I'm going to leave a link in the description for all my tools that I use in the video. And I'm just balding out the first guideline here. Since it is a low fade, I'm going to go always with the shape of my client's head, and I'm going to go real, not too high with the bald line. So I'm going to take the rest out here, and those are my Wahls balding clippers. They're great for balding regions out. They leave it super close and smooth. And I'm going to finish the bald region with the Wahls Shaver. It's a super close shaver, and it gives it that extra smooth feeling. And I think that just completes the bald fade. So now I have my 2-guard here closed, and these are my Wahls cordless magic clippers. I love these clippers. Definitely my go-tos. Nice, lightweight, and they get the job done. They're actually pretty close cutting too. Now we're going to have no guard, blade all the way open. And notice how I kept it dark right around the C-cup region there, in the arch. Because you don't want to make that disappear. At the end, when I put my line in, it's going to stay there. So always make sure you leave yourself enough room to keep that. As you notice here, I'm using my new chest mount for my action camera. I think it gets a way better angle, and I'm loving it so far. Pay attention to how I work the lever here. I'm slowly closing as I'm coming down the fade, and I'm opening it as I'm going up. You'll see me flick in between that many times within the guideline. And the best way to cross-check and to make sure that there are no lines is to constantly open and close as you're coming down. So you want to meet in the middle to make sure all the lines are out, if that makes sense. So you want to open it up all the way as you're coming up and close it as you're coming down. Now I have my 1 guard here closed. I'm going up about a ½ inch or so. That's another thing with the low fade. You don't want your guidelines as big either. You kind of want them little tighter, more suppressed, more so of your true 1 line or your half line. So now I have the half guard on here, and it is open, and we're doing the same steps, same exact steps. So I have it about halfway closed here, and we're going to take out that line. And notice how I'm not rubbing into his head. It's toe over heel, toe to heel. And again, watch the lever. So now I'm going to end up with the blade all the way closed when I'm at the bottom of that guideline, and it's going to take that line right out of there. And if I have to, I could take the half guard off, and I could just open it with the blade up all the way and take out the line even more if I need to. But it looks like it's blending pretty nice here. So we're going to follow up with some clipper over comb here. We're going to just take down that bulk right on the ridge. And I'm swiping across to take down the bulk, and I'm swiping up to clean up the remaining hair. And when I clipper over comb, I usually always go through at least 3 or 4 times to really ensure that the bulk is down and it is smooth. It's going to take you a little while. I mean, the faster you get with it, obviously it'll go quicker. But you always never try to shortcut these steps, because it's very important in a haircut. Now I have my 1.5 guard on closed, and I'm just detailing some more. I'm taking that guideline out that I made with the clipper over comb, kind of smoothing it out into that that nice transition. So open it up just to make sure that I don't raise any lines, and then I'm slowly closing it until it's all the way closed. Now I'm following up with the 1 guard open, and I'm just really getting rid of that line there. I'm just smoothing out what I just made with the 1.5 guard, what I was going over, and this will really take it out right here with the 1 guard open. There's always a way to take a line out, and if you're in doubt and if you're having trouble, no worries. Lower the guard, open it up, and make sure you stretch the skin. Sometimes you gotta stretch the skin a little extra, because people have bumps in their head, and stretching the skin will help you get that extra closeness that you need. So now I'm just taking down the remaining bulk with clipper over comb. Like I said, I do it like 3 or 4 times, and I'm detailing throughout the whole cut. Now I'm just going to line them up, my edges here. And as a barber, you want to find that perfect balance of a nice detailed haircut where you take your time, but still in a speedy way. Because the goal is to have a haircut done with the client very satisfied, and of course yourself satisfied, probably within a half hour or so. And you don't want to rush through a cut. You never want to. You never want to have that feeling. But you want to do everything very quickly and swiftly. So if you find that balance, and it's all about knowing the steps, knowing why you're doing the steps. So once you get there, it'll be set. Because there is no perfect haircut. But as long as you are satisfied and the customer is. But he didn't want too much length off the top. I just kind of took off maybe about a ½ inch or so, evened out some areas. And now I'm just going with shear over comb, cleaning up his ridge a little bit. And of course, I'm going to apply a steam towel here. I always steam towel every client. They appreciate it very much. So I think that's very important as a barber. And right here, we're going to apply some shave gel. And of course, this is Tomb 45. If you get a chance to check out their website in Chris Bossio, they have great education and products. I'll put the link in the description. Now we're going to have our finishing touches with our razor work. And it's almost like an artist putting his last strokes on a painting. So now I'm going to apply an aftershave or an astringent. And that all depends on the client's skin type and what they can handle. Then you apply some styling product, and he liked the dry look. So now here is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please leave some feedback. If you like this video, smash the like button, and of course subscribe. I'm going to be dropping more videos very soon, and hopefully some more vlogs. So thank you again for watching, and until next time, YouTube,